To say it with Steve Wright's Sunday Love Songs.
I just want to say
she's a wonderful person.
I cannot think of anyone else I'd rather be with.
Take me into your loving arms.
Celebrating birthdays, anniversaries, and everything in between.
I was just wondering if you could play a love song for both my parents.
Please play a love song for my wife.
Please play a song for my lovely mummy and daddy.
Sunday Love Songs.
This guy's
object should behave in the same way as an instrument for her to resonate what she had to see and say out in huge